As the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Good evening, my dear friends in scouting. Mr. Ahmad Al Hendawi, the Secretary General of the World Organization Scout Movement, Mr. Janaprit Fernando, the Deputy Chief Commissioner of Sri Lanka Scout Association and member of World Scout Committee, President, Vice Presidents, Chairman of the Executive Committee and the Executive Committee of Sri Lanka Scout Association Colombo District Branch, my dear Scout leaders, Scouts, parents, well-wishers, and my dear friends in Scouting. I address you here live tonight under unusual circumstances. All of us around the world has been impacted by COVID-19. The pandemic has changed all our lives, whether it is our personal lives, our academic lives for most of our scouts, or whether it's our corporate lives, or even most importantly, our scouting lives has also been impacted. This for sure is a challenging time, and of course it has brought a different dimension to the way we live. But as I quoted earlier, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And this is when the Colombo Scouts came up and stood up to the new normal and has challenged the way we operate during the new normal. It was mid-March that the first lockdown due to the first COVID wave came in here in Sri Lanka. And from that point onwards, the Scouts in Colombo has adapted to this new normal. By end of March, the Colombo Scout Youth Advisory Group came up with the first virtual activity done in Sri Lanka during COVID, which was a stay-at-home challenge, which was followed by the Colombo Rovers by hosting the first ever virtual campfire in Sri Lanka, and again subsequently the first ever virtual scouting webinar series here in Sri Lanka. This is testament to the innovation, the creativity, and the confidence to take up challenges by the Colombo Scouts. And we are humbled to be tagged as trendsetters in Sri Lankan scouting for decades. Continuing this innovative and disruptive approach, here we are today launching the first ever virtual district or national level scout camp here in Sri Lanka. The Colombo Campari 2020, the 55th edition of it, I'm sure would be the biggest fully virtual multi-day event to be hosted by a Sri Lankan organization in Sri Lanka. This event that spans across 7 days from 23rd to 29th of this month, attended by more than 4,500 scouts, would definitely be an historic milestone. Even though all these would be historic milestones, for me personally, the biggest highlight of this Campari is the fact that this was an idea from a scout team, from a scout. This was an idea that came up from a rover scout from the 75th Colombo District Rover Crew, who advises the Executive Committee of the Colombo District through the Colombo Scout Youth Advisory Group. And from that point onwards, the entire district as well as the organizing committee has been working hard to make this idea a reality. And here we are today making this idea a reality. I would like to welcome the following dignitaries for this glamorous opening ceremony of this novel concept. First of all, let me warmly welcome the Secretary General of the WUSM, Mr. Ahmad Al Hendawi, for gracing this occasion virtually. It is indeed a great encouragement for our scouts, sir. We feel that your presence here today is not only a encouragement to the scouts in Colombo, but it is a tribute to all the scouts in Sri Lanka who has been very active keeping the scouting spirit alive during the past 9 months where this island nation has been impacted by COVID-19. Very ably led by our Chief Commissioner Major General Milinda Piris and our Deputy Chief Commissioner Mr. Janaprit Fernando, the scouting in Sri Lanka has endured and has been resilient and has come on top of COVID, if I could say so. So, in this background, I feel your presence here today is a great encouragement for each of those individuals who have been active across the country. Then, of course, I would like to welcome a well-known face, a well-known name in Colombo Scouting. Mr. Janaprit Fernando who, of course, was a past organizing commissioner of the Colombo Campari, as well as a past district commissioner, who now serves as the Deputy Chief Commissioner for Sri Lanka Scouts and sits on the World Scout Committee. Your presence here today, sir, is, of course, an encouragement for us, and you have always been a great pillar of strength for Colombo Scouts. So I would like to warmly welcome you for this historic event as well. Then, of course, our very own president of the Sri Lanka Scout Association Colombo District Branch, Mr. MZM Saruk, the vice presidents, Mr. Sujio Fernando and Mr. Sukumar Rockwood, the chairman of the executive committee, Mr. Sarath Chandrasrivitana, the secretary, Mr. Krishantala Rajapaksha, the treasurer, Mr. Bhagakure, assistant secretary and treasurer, Mr. Namal Rajamuni, batch secretary, Mr. Harendra Demel, and the executive, all the other members of the executive committee of the Colombo District Branch. Also, I would like to make a special mention, a special remembrance of our late Vice President, Mr. Leonard Albert, who I'm sure is blessing us today as well as he has always done for Colombo Scouts over the years. Then, of course, warm welcome to our very own District Commissioner, Mr. Amila Besundara, who has been a great pillar of strength for Colombo Scouting since he took over at the start of this year. All my colleagues, ADCs, District Scout leaders, and of course a warm welcome to all the past District Commissioners who are joining with us virtually, Mr. Rohan Veerasekara, Mr. Nanda Fernando, Mr. Riza Asur, and Mr. Surendra Vikramatilaka, all the past organizing commissioners who are joining as well. Thank you for being my predecessors and setting a legacy which I hope I would be able to maintain during the coming 7 days. And most importantly, the grassroots level contacts of our scouts, the scout leaders of Colombo, a warm welcome to all of you. And then the actual participants who are going to benefit out of this whole endeavor, the Sigiti, Cub, Junior, Senior, and Rover Scouts of Colombo. My dear scouts, this is your event, and this is your chance to shine and your chance to learn, because at the end of the day, scouting is an informal education movement where you get the opportunity to learn by doing. Then, of course, all the parents of scouts I know who are here joining live with the children at home. So a warm welcome for all of you as well. And of course, I can't forget our valued partners and sponsors, members of the media, and well-wishers. But before I finish, I would like to conclude by making a special note of the amazing team that has been behind the success of this Campari to date. Its success, its final success would be determined in 7 days. But I would like to mention that this team has put a lot of effort to think from scratch, because unlike any other Campari, we had to start from scratch because we have never done a virtual Campari before. We had to think about even the minute of details, which required sleepless nights, so much of experimenting and testing. But I'm confident the 30 kilogram activities they have planned, over 14 live streamed events, including campfires, talent shows, carol services, yoga sessions, all that is arranged for you. The specific programs arranged for different sections, the Sigiti activities, the Cup Day, the Rover Day, and also events where our partners are helping us out, such as the Toastmasters International, District 82, the United Nations, etc. So all these events put together with the offline activity that we have planned, all the children out there, all the scouts out there who doesn't have device or data accessibility to engage with our camp, with all these put in place and all these having educational objectives behind it, I feel this Campari would be a one to remember for all participants. So my kind appeal is that the organizing committee has put a tremendous amount of work into this Campari. So whilst I welcome all of you to this Colombo Campari opening ceremony, I would like to humbly appeal from all of you to make the best use of the arrangements that my team has made over the past 1 month. So finally, I warmly welcome all of you to the opening ceremony, and I wish all of you an amazing Campari ahead. Thank you.